Good morning, Henley students. I'm sorry I could not be there today to teach you. I made this video hopefully so that you guys will be able to see what I'm doing and hear what I'm doing along with your project today. So first you're going to need a small piece of white paper, should be in your art folder, and hopefully your art folder should be in your backpack. You are going to need the regular piece of white paper, not the big folded white paper, not the small white squares of paper, just a regular sized piece of paper. It's inside your art folder. If you don't have one, you can always use any paper you want for this project. A piece of notebook paper will be fine. Okay? Take a look at what I'm sharing with you right now. We are going to create our own block letters that are personal for you. So things that you like and things that you enjoy in a block letter style. You're going to look at these for inspiration, but if you find one that you really like, you could always use one of these block letter styles. You can write your name in block letters. You could write your nickname. You could write your initials. You could write your favorite word as long as it's school appropriate. So what you write with the block letters is completely up to you. But because some of you may not use your name in your block letters, please write your name on the back of the paper, first and last name. Write it on the bottom just in case you need to start over again on the other side. You won't have to erase it. Okay, so let me show you one way that I know how to teach kids how to draw block letters. So if you don't know how to draw block letters at all, take a look at this little trick that I've discovered. You're going to take your pencil, very, very, very gentle with the pencil, and you are going to draw your letter like you normally would. Then you're going to take your crayon or marker or colored pencil, whatever you want, trace around the letter. And if you want to add different things to it, you could do this now or you could do it later after you're done writing your letter. Don't forget to do the inside of the letter like I did right here in the letter R. Then when you're done with that, you take your eraser, very carefully erase the pencil lines. Now this is why I told you to draw your pencil very gentle, because as you know, when you draw very hard with the pencil and you push down hard, it's harder to erase it. So when you're done with that, you're left with your block letter. If you want, you could try to make your block letter a 3D block letter. And for that, I usually just extend out the corners, a diagonal line, all going in the same direction. I like to go up and to the right. And then I connect them with parallel lines, so lines that are parallel to the actual letters line. So there's a line right here. I'm going to draw a parallel there, and another parallel line along the side, and one last parallel line here. So as you can see, my block letter is only going out from the top and to the side. I don't have it going out the bottom. I don't have it going out the left-hand side, just the right-hand side. So as far as your letters go, feel free to add any kind of style that you like. So if you like art, you can draw your letters with different art supplies like pencils and markers and crayons. If you like sports, one of my students decided to do hockey, and his name is Joe. He actually used the hockey stick as the J and the hockey puck as the O. For the E, he wasn't sure what to do, so he just used his favorite team's colors to color in the E. So even if you just color in your letter using your favorite colors or pattern, that will be fine. That will be personalized. I made this one for my husband when we were dating. He's a Red Sox fan, and I drew a Red Sox emblem using a red sock for the S, a baseball for the O, and two baseball bats crisscrossing for the X. So feel free to get as creative as you want with your letters. You can keep these in your art folder because I really want to see them when I get back and when I can teach you guys again. Okay? Have a wonderful day, everybody. And I miss you already. I wish I could be there. Bye, boys and girls.